If you've just started using Miro and feel a little overwhelmed by all the tools and space on your screen, don't worry. You're not alone. Miro is an amazing collaborative whiteboard platform that teams use for brainstorming, planning, and organizing ideas visually. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or part of a remote team, Miro can help you bring your thoughts to life in a creative and structured way. So today, I'll be sharing some of the best Miro tips for beginners to help you get started like a pro. Let's start with the basics, getting familiar with the Miro interface. When you open a board, you'll notice that the workspace feels infinite. That's one of Miro's strengths. It gives you a flexible, unlimited canvas where you can map out big ideas. You can zoom in or out using your mouse scroll or trackpad and move around by dragging the canvas. There's also a mini-map on the bottom right corner to help you see where you are on the board. This might sound simple, but once you get comfortable navigating, you'll feel a lot more confident exploring. Next, let's talk about templates. Miro has a massive library of templates for all kinds of use cases, from mind maps and user story maps to project timelines and retrospectives. If you're new, don't start from scratch. Instead, pick a template that fits your goal. For example, if you're planning a project, choose a Kanban board template. If you're brainstorming ideas, try a mind map. These templates give you a strong starting point and save you tons of setup time. You can easily customize them by adding sticky notes, shapes, images, or icons. Speaking of sticky notes, that brings us to adding content. Just double-click anywhere on the board to add a sticky note or press N on your keyboard for a shortcut. Sticky notes are the heart of Miro. They're perfect for capturing quick ideas, reminders, or feedback. You can also use shapes, text boxes, and connectors to organize thoughts visually. Try grouping related ideas together and using colors to categorize topics. It makes your board more readable and appealing. Now let's move on to what makes Miro really powerful: collaboration. Miro isn't just a solo tool, it's built for teamwork. You can invite teammates to your board through the Share button, and once they join, you'll see their cursors moving in real time. It's like being in the same room, brainstorming together. You can comment on each other's ideas, add reactions, or use the built-in voting feature during meetings to make group decisions quickly. This makes Miro especially useful for remote teams or virtual workshops. Another tip is to use frames. Think of frames as slides or sections on your board. They help you organize your ideas into a clear, structured flow. For example, you can create one frame for goals, another for action steps, and another for deadlines. Frames also make it easier to present your board like a slideshow, which is super handy during meetings or client presentations. And don't forget about keyboard shortcuts. They can save you a lot of time. Here are a few useful ones. Press V for the Select tool, T to add text, N for a sticky note, and Ctrl+D to duplicate items. Once you memorize a few of these, your workflow will feel much smoother. Finally, my last tip is to keep your board organized. It's easy to get carried away adding content, but a cluttered board can be overwhelming. Use consistent colors, align objects neatly, and label sections clearly. A well-organized board not only looks professional, but also helps everyone stay focused and engaged. And that's it. Those are my top Miro tips for beginners. Start simple, explore the tools one at a time, and don't be afraid to experiment. Miro is incredibly flexible, and once you get used to it, you'll find it's one of the best tools for visual collaboration and creative planning. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more tech and productivity guides, and let me know in the comments what kind of Miro content you'd like to see next.